Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Binance to MetaTrader 5 or MT5 for easy trading in 2026. So first of all, here is one important thing that you need to understand. Binance doesn't directly connect to MT5 like a forex broker. So you can't just log in to your MT5 using Binance email and you start trading. But don't worry, there are only two real ways that people trade Binance with MT5 style execution. So first of all, you need to install your MT5 on your phone or on your laptop. Then you need to simply launch it. Now you need to create or use an account with a broker that supports MT5 and offers crypto pairs like BTC USD, Ethereum or BTC USDT. So most probably when you purchase any of the funded accounts from the respected prop firms, they allow you to trade cryptos as well. So when you connect your funded accounts over here, for example, let's say you connect your FTMO account here. So you are going to basically get access to the cryptos as well that you can trade. Most probably BTC and Ethereum you can trade easily. So here after logging in, you just have to look for BTC and Ethereum. When you are able to find it, you can easily trade in those. Now, if your goal is to trade on Binance but control it using MT5, then you will need to bridge the tool that connects Binance to MT5. In this setup, you need to create the Binance API keys. Then you need to connect it to the bridge, and then the bridge is going to send the trades from MT5 to Binance. So in my opinion, that particular process become very hectic. Binance itself has their terminal and that also executes the trades very well. So you can just simply use that, or you can just simply go with the first method that I've shown you. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.